Hello there, what a splendid day it is. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to forget about one crucial aspect: our health. But fear not, we're here to shed some light on a topic that's close to our hearts and important for all of us: maintaining a balanced diet. Now, what exactly is a balanced diet? Picture a scale, perfectly balanced, neither side tipping over. That's what we aim for with our meals. A balanced diet includes the right proportions of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. It's not just about eating fruits and vegetables. It's about understanding how much of what to eat and when. Let's break it down, shall we? Carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy, should comprise about half of our daily intake. Proteins, the building blocks of our body, should make up roughly a quarter. Fats, yes, even fats, are essential for absorbing vitamins and protecting our organs. They should make up the remaining quarter of our diet. But wait, there's more. Vitamins and minerals, though needed in smaller amounts, are crucial for various bodily functions. And water, the elixir of life, is necessary for all our bodily functions. So why is a balanced diet important? For starters, it provides the nutrients necessary for growth and repair. It helps in maintaining a healthy weight, preventing various illnesses, and promoting overall well-being. In a nutshell, a balanced diet is like the magic potion for a healthy life. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about nourishing your body. It's about understanding that every meal is an opportunity to fuel your body and mind. Remember, carbohydrates for energy, proteins for growth and repair, fats for nutrient absorption, vitamins and minerals for bodily functions, and water for life. A balanced diet isn't a fad, it's a lifestyle. So there we have it, a simple guide to maintaining a balanced diet. It's not a daunting task, it's a journey towards better health. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today. After all, health is wealth. Until next time, keep the balance and keep shining. Goodbye for now.